Technology are booming. Technology is anywhere in the world, and along with it is the total explosion of social media's popularity that has been useful to everyone to connect in the virtual reality of the world. However, is it still considered useful when people are taking advantage of it to spread false information, to scam someone that the only intention is to have a better gadget to make his studies more convenient?
That's what happened to a college student from Quezon City who fell victim of an online scam by an allegedly seller on Facebook.
Noong una talaga, I was hesitant to accept my friend's offer. Lalo na't hindi pa ako masyadong aware sa store. Sabi niya, pangalawang ulit na daw siyang bumili doon sa store on Facebook page. Then I check up on the store the night after he referred me. And parang wala naman ako nakikitang mali sa mga reviews and sa mga sinasabi ng mga bumibili. Then yung isa pa sa mas lalo nagpa-attract sa akin is yung to buy on that store was the affordable prices of their gadgets, which was nagtitipid nga ako.
Online stores nowadays are becoming more relevant when it comes to business world. We know that online presence will grow your business in a matter of time.
Mapapaniwala ka talaga sa mga sa store which is very legitimate because of its customer reviews and proofs ng mga orders.
Scam can be done in so many forms, and here are the most reported cases of scams happening in the society or commonly here in the Philippines. First we have is phishing. Scammers create fake websites or emails that mimic legitimate ones, such as banks or social media platforms, to trick people into providing sensitive information like usernames, passwords, or credit card details. Next we have is work from home scams. Scammers advertise job opportunities that allow people to work from home with flexible hours and high pay. However, these jobs often require an upfront payment for training materials or equipment and rarely deliver on their promises. And lastly is online shopping scams, which is what happened to Jim Delabad. Online shopping scams is a type of scamming wherein fraudulent online stores offer products at extremely low prices to lure in customers. However, after receiving payment, they either deliver counterfeit or inferior products or don't deliver anything at all.
Nagpakilala sa akin yung seller as Cristel Gidalgo. Napaka-professional niya and makipag-usap sa mga transactions namin. Binigyan niya ako ng assurance na yung store nila is legitimate daw and BIR registered, so naniwala naman ako. Nag-order ako sa store ng pagmamayari niya ng iPhone 15 Pro Max na nagkakahalagaan ng 25,000 pesos, which is cheaper than the original price na 55,000 pesos. Nung nakipag-transact ako sa kanila, sabi nung seller ay kailangan ko daw muna mag-down ng 10k as a down payment, and binayaran ko muna yon. Pagkatapos ko nga bayaran yon, hindi ko na nga sila makontak, o binlock na nila ako. And tinry ko sila reach out sa email and contacts, pero dinidecline nila yung mga tawag ko.
So, what warning or message would you like to send to individuals engaged in scamming activities?
Ang inyong mga gawain ay nagdudulot ng tunay na pinsala sa mga tao, financially and emotionally. Bawat isa ay may nararapat tratuhin ng may katapatan at respeto, at mayroong maayos and legitimate ways para maging successful sa buhay.
What have you learned from your experience, and what advice you could give to those possible victims of scammers?
To avoid scams, stay vigilant and informed. Always verify sources, protect your personal information, and be skeptical or urgent requests. If an offer seems to be good to be true, it likely is. Educate yourself and common scams to be better, protect yourself.
Jim's story is a cautionary tale, highlighting the prevalence of online shopping scams and the importance of vigilance when making online purchases. From phishing schemes to work from home scams, the tactics of online fraudsters continue to evolve, preying on the trust and vulnerability of unsuspecting individuals. But amidst the shadows of deceit, there shines a glimmer of hope, the resilience of individuals like Jim, who refuse to be silent victims. By sharing his story, Jim serves as a beacon of awareness, urging others to remain vigilant and combat the spread of scams and fake news in the digital world. Together, let us heed Jim's call to action and strive for a safer and more ethical online environment for all.